Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have some jailbreak update news for you guys in regards to an iOS 10.1 jailbreak and iOS 11.1.2 jailbreak that will be potentially released in December. So with that being said, let's get straight into this update video. Alright, so first off, guys, let's go ahead and smash up to 10 likes on this video. Thank you guys so much for all the support as always, and comment something down below for a chance to get pinned. But the first piece of news that I do want to talk about today is the fact that, first off, iOS 11.1.2 is no longer being signed by Apple, meaning you guys are unable to upgrade and or downgrade back to iOS 11.1.2 as said developers have said in the past in their posts, and like I have said in my previous videos in regards to downgrading to this if you guys want a jailbreak on iOS 11. Now, like I said, this is just a recommended thing that you guys want. You guys should have also saved SSH blobs as well, just in case we can in fact downgrade in the future right back to any iOS version that we want in regards to having SSH blobs. Now, the next thing I do want to talk about is the fact that Saigon, the jailbreak, was publicly released open source on GitHub right here, as you guys can see. I'll go ahead and link it down inside of the description if you guys are also developers watching my videos and you guys want to take a look at what is inside of the jailbreak project. Now, of course, you guys will be needing a Mac in order to use this, because you guys will see that there is an Xcode project file right here indicating that you guys will need either a Hackintosh or a Mac in order to use this jailbreak project. But as you guys can see, as said, all iDevice versions of iOS 10.2.1 is supported with this jailbreak as well. And also, it has been updated twice to another beta, which allows a better chance for your device to be able to be jailbroken, unlike the first version where it will take up to 100 or 200 tries, and this one should take about maybe max 10-20 instead. Now, the next piece of news I do want to talk about is in regards to the iPhone 10. So first off, as you guys can see on iOS 11.1.2, someone is releasing a demo showing a full file system explorer on the iPhone 10. So let me go ahead and bring up that video right here. So as you guys can see, he does have this application on the iPhone 10. It's going to load up, and as you guys can see, he goes into the root of his directory on his phone. As you guys can see, all of the files that you would see in either iFile or Fileza on a jailbroken device, you guys can see all the files that are being shown inside of particular applications. So for example, that was inside of the Reddit application. So as you guys can see, it's pretty amazing news to see that we have a file explorer that might potentially be released with iOS 11.1.2. And recently there has been many developers releasing a whole bunch of bugs and other exploits in regards to jailbreak. So like for example, today, 8 hours ago, async_awake fork is now being released with read-write access, which allows more functionality inside of an unjailbroken iDevice. Now, as you guys can see right here, this person inside Reddit says, and pretty much root read-write plus code sign patch is already a jailbreak. So basically what this is saying is that this exploit is allowing read-write access, like I said, and is basically almost to a full jailbreak for a iOS version. Now, of course, this is open source. As you guys can see, he does link the GitHub page right there. I'll go ahead and link the GitHub as well inside of the description if you guys are interested in seeing this. And he does say as well that this will work on an iPhone 7 as up. So we might be able to see a jailbreak on an iPhone 8 as well as an iPhone 10, which is very, very amazing to see with all these types of exploits being released. And one of the last and final things that I do want to talk about is the fact that since iOS 11.1.2 is in fact closed by Apple, the developer, as Morpheus, says that a toolkit is coming soon for anyone that is on iOS 11.1.2 but not iOS 11.2. So I'll go ahead and keep you guys up to date on what's been going on with this particular developer and this particular toolkit that he is releasing soon. Now, he does say in his tweet, if you guys are on 11.2.x, that is your problem. So basically, guys, if you guys did not listen to him and either downgrade back to 11.1.2, you guys are basically screwed, and do not ask him for an ETA on when another jailbreak or whatever this toolkit may have. Do not ask him for updates for the tool. Now, I did say before that that was the last and final thing, but I did forget to say that Alibaba Pandora Lab basically gave a demo of a jailbreak on iOS 11.2. So Jonathan Levin, or Morpheus, said that do not update update past 11.2. This particular jailbreak team, Alibaba, created a jailbreak and is successful on 11.2 with an iPhone 10. And this is absolutely amazing to say that jailbreaking is not dead and is in fact still possible, but exploits will need to be researched and released in order for us to actually have a jailbreak in par said iOS versions. But if you guys do see right here, he is showing an iPhone 10 and it does have the Cydia logo right here. So as you guys can see, like I said before, awesome news to see that the jailbreaking scene is not dead and there are a ton of exploits still being able to be found inside of iOS, and will just need to be found by hackers as well as developers. So that's pretty much it. It's jam-packed with news this week, guys. It's been absolutely amazing to see all these types of news coming out and leaking for iOS 10 and iOS 11's jailbreak for almost all devices for us in the future. So I just wanted to update you guys quickly on everything that's been going on. So if you guys like this quick video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Also subscribe to get videos just like this in the future, as well as content regarding iOS 10 and iOS 11 jailbreak tweaks in the future as well. Don't forget to scan or snapshot this snap code to add me on Snapchat, and don't forget to also follow me on my Twitter page and my Facebook page to be informed on anything jailbreak related and to stay up to date on what's been going on inside of the jailbreak world. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. This is EliteAppleHacks signing out.